So namaskar everyone, Jai Jagannath. A very warm welcome to the first ever Bali Jatra celebration here in the UK. Bali Jatra, a revered festival of Odisha, held every year around this time in Cuttack, is a living embodiment of the state's rich maritime heritage. It commemorates the ancient trade routes to Southeast Asia that our ancestors, the Sadabhas, courageously traversed and established enduring economic and cultural connections with these regions. The impact of those ties continues to resonate even today and is evident in the art, literature, folklore, festivals, and even cuisine. So today's inaugural festival is all about celebrating these historical bonds of commerce and culture that our ancestors so boldly established across the seas. Today's festival also comes at a time when India is making a concerted effort to spotlight its maritime heritage and the pivotal role that Odisha played in it. Just a few days ago, there was a conference in Delhi called Sagar Manthan, or the Great Ocean Dialogue, in which India's Union Minister for Ports, Shipping and Waterways, Sri Sarbananda Sonowal, highlighted Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision of propelling India's maritime heritage and making India the shipbuilding capital of the world. India has the demography, India has the steel, India aspires to be a $10 trillion economy very soon, so the shipbuilding capacity has to match to this vision. And Odisha can well lead and benefit from this transformative opportunity. In fact, a Stitch Ship project is underway, and Stitch Ship was the methodology that was used by the ancient Odia mariners to build their ships. And the Stitch Ship is set to launch in 2025 Bali Jatra in Odisha, from where it will set sail to Bali. So lots of exciting plans ahead. And another historic first, if I can continue on that, the Indian Navy is going to showcase its maritime might this year on December 4th in Odisha. This is again being done in Odisha to bring to fore Odisha's role as a flag bearer of India's seafaring heritage. The Odisha community in United Kingdom is proud to contribute to these efforts of elevating Odisha's global visibility and give more knowledge about this region and its history through events like these. This is precise.
Namaskar, Jai Jagannath. Thank you all our guests to come here. This is precisely the vision with which the Odisha Society of United Kingdom has launched the inaugural Bali Jatra project first time in London. The Honourable Chief Minister of Odisha, in his letter of appreciation for this initiative, said, Bali Jatra in London will reinvent the glorious history and heritage of Odisha on an international and bring Odisha to the attention of global traders and investors. This vision inspires our effort, and we are truly overwhelmed by the immense support we have received. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to the old member sitting in front of us first. Then I would mention few names. Srimati Smriti Juvani Irani, she is the former Minister of Education of India. Sri Baijan Pandaji, Member of Parliament and National Vice President of BJP. The Chief Minister of Odisha, Sri Manmohan Majiji. Deputy Chief Minister, Srimati Pravati Paridaji, for their kind letters of appreciation. Your encouragement has been invaluable. We are equally thrilled to see widespread support from across the board. Our sincere thanks to the TV presenter Sadhana, Sri Ravi Pradhan, General Secretary of Sri Jagannath Society, veteran actor Sri Uttam Mahanti, the dynamic duo and superstar they're just in their way, and they will be here soon. Sabyasachi and Archita, Bollywood playback singer Asit Tripathi, Culture and Tourism, Miss Milena Pedrosa, former Secretary of State of Culture and Tourism, Brazil, and our beloved performer Monodeepa Sil and Avidev Sen Gupta. Your support have made this project even more special and inspiring. Our Balijatra festival will be a vibrant reflection of the ancient socio-culture and trade platform the festival represents. It will celebrate Odisha's rich heritage while opening new doors for trade and cultural connection between Odisha and the UK. This event will serve as a dynamic living bridge between the two regions, offering entrepreneurs, professionals a chance to engage with the Odisha's growth story and build meaningful international networks. Through this platform, we aim to showcase Odisha's immense tourism potential, highlighting its iconic temples, vibrant festivals, executive art, science, coastal line. Additionally, the state's artisan and craftsmanship will get an international platform to bring their incredible work to the global audience.
Can I also add that we are extremely thankful to the Foreign Commonwealth and Development Office for also sending in their best wishes to us. This letter from them was a moment of pride for the Oriya community in the UK because it obviously gives us a lot of upliftment in the work that we are trying to do out here. And as the letter says, that the UK government will do their utmost to ensure that the United Kingdom's friendship with India continues to move from strength to strength in the years to come.
Thank you, Sweta. Let us come together, relive the spirit of, relive the feast of the Balijatra and honor the bold ventures of ancestors. So without further delay, let's strive in the make this celebration unforgettable. And before I finish, I would just like to say, we have two of our guests here from the Maritime Volunteer Service. I would like to heartfelt thank you for making this effort, and thank you for coming with your uniform. That really makes us proud, and thank you so much for coming.
Thank you. Enjoy the festivities.
And enjoy for today.